Y'all, let me get into this video today. Hey, hey, beautiful babes, your girl, Sweet Angel. Y'all, today we'll be doing an excellent anti-aging mask made with Cacao Bliss. If you recall, I just recently did a video on Cacao Bliss, the superfood. All of these wonderful ingredients came from the actual cookbook. Well, I guess I can call it a cookbook, but it's for cacao lovers. This mask was in that recipe book. So today we're simply taking Greek yogurt. Applying Greek yogurt to your skin makes it smooth, bright, and glowing. Rich in probiotics, it improves your skin's complexion and hydration levels. And then we'll be taking the Cacao Bliss itself. The Cacao Bliss offers a lot of the same benefits as eating. The high levels of antioxidants protect and repair the skin from damage and premature aging. And as a potent anti-inflammatory, it soothes redness and blemishes, improving the skin's complexion. And then we'll be using egg whites. Egg whites are great for deep cleansing treatments, and the protein is good for firming up your skin. Egg whites will help to shrink or tighten your pores. Do this weekly to tighten your pores and prevent the accumulation of dirt on the skin. And then we'll also be making use of raw honey. The honey will help balance the bacteria on your skin, which makes it a great product to use for acne. Raw honey is also a natural exfoliator, which means applying it to your face takes off dry, dull skin and reveals your new skin cells underneath. And all you have to do is add all of these ingredients together and whip them into a smooth paste. And once you're completed mixing, look, this is what you get. A beautiful chocolatey mask. And I can't wait to put this on my face, but it smells delicious actually. Smooth the mask onto your face and neck and let it sit for 10 minutes. Then rinse off. Now you can actually keep the unused portion of this mask in the fridge for up to 3 days. No longer than that because of the raw egg. Y'all, this mask is so amazing. This is for anti-aging. Absolutely it is. And all of the wonderful ingredients is going to do just that. Helping with your complexion, taking care of premature aging and skin damage, tightening your skin. You're going to be amazed and in love with your skin. All of the information about this mask will be in the description box below, along with my Ready Shop links. So remember that I am an Amazon affiliate. So if you see one of those links, that's your girl. Go ahead and support the channel if you make a purchase by using those links. I appreciate you all so much, and enjoy your mask. And beautiful babes, that is how we do it. An amazing face mask with Cacao Bliss. I love it, did my skin good, and you're gonna love it too. I'll have everything linked below for you because honey, you might want to check it out. I'm just saying, you just might want to check it out. Listen, y'all, thank you so much for hanging out with your girl again. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to know when I upload right away, make sure you turn on that post notification bell to all, and that way you'll get all of the notifications. Wouldn't that be nice? How about that? So beautiful babes, I'll see you on the next video. Please, again, don't keep me a secret. Make sure you share me with your world, and I'll see you on the next one. Love will come and find me one day. Oh, I
never knew that you would be the one headed my way. Yeah. Oh, you caught me off guard and you took me by surprise.